Students of class 10th, today is our mathematics classes and the topic is triangle, and we have to prove Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Now first of all, look here, that is draw a figure first. That is, this is a right angle at B. Now look here, that is A, B, C. This is right angle. What is our given? That is, the given is given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and we have to prove, that is to prove AC square is equal to AB का square plus BC का square. Now we have to first by construction, that is, now write the construction from B through B, that is draw a line which is perpendicular on AC. Now write the construction, that is draw a line through B on AC, that is BM perpendicular on AC. Now this is 90 degree and this is also through B. Draw BM perpendicular on AC. Now the solution is, first of all, we take two triangle, that is one that is smaller triangle in triangle AMB and other that is ABC. Now in triangle AMB and triangle ABC, here that is angle A common, that is both the triangle, angle A is common, it means angle BAM is equal to angle ABC, each 90 degree, and BAM and angle ABC, no sorry, here is, that is angle BMA, B here, that is angle BMA is equal to BMA and ABC, first that is 90 degree, second angle BAM is equal to angle BAC, that is common. Now if two angles are equal, then the triangles are similar, therefore triangle AMB similar to triangle ABC by angle similarity. Now on this similarity, if angle BMA is equal to angle ABC, the angle BMA here opposite side, that is AB upon one angle, other is this one is opposite side AC is equal to included, that is in a small triangle AMB, that is AM upon AB, this implies that AB square is equal to AC into AM. Now this is equation 1. Again take this triangle BMC and again in triangle ABC. Now again in triangle BMC or BCM and triangle ABC, here angle BMC, this one is equal to angle ABC, each 90 degree, and this one is common, angle BCM is equal to angle ACB, that is common. Therefore triangle BCM similar to triangle ABC, now which is by angle similarity. Therefore if this triangle BMC similar to ABC, therefore first of all we look here, that is angle BMC, that is opposite side BC, therefore BC upon another, this one is 90 degree, opposite side AC is equal to, again this is common, now that is CM upon BC, that is CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle, by CPST here. Now this is, now we have to this multiply BC into BC, this implies that BC square is equal to AC into CM, this is equation 2. Now look here, our proof is AB square plus BC square. Now then equation 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus equation 2 we have, that is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AM plus AC into CM. Now take common as, that is AC, where AM plus CM, AM plus CM. Now this is equal to AC into AC. Here AM plus CM, that is AM plus CM is equal to AC, and which is also is equal to AC square. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is our proof. Now look here, that is, what is our proof? That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and we have to prove AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Thank you.